Hi folks, it's your boy here, G Ray, and here in sunny Southern California. We are in a pandemic right now, so we gotta wear our N95s and protect your eyes too. I know, but my problem right now is my car won't start, and here's what I found out. Well, my fuel pump is working fine because you could hear the gushing, you know, whenever you put it on the ignition. So we're gonna go and without further ado, look at my car. Okay, it's a Mercedes Benz C240 W203 M112. So if you could see, watch this. Sound familiar, right? Watch. See? You hear that? A little bit more. One more time. Oh, not good. Not good, right? But anyway, I found out what the problem was. Fuel pump is okay. It's basically the ignition coil fuse. I checked my fuel pump relay, it's working good, everything else is working, but if you take a look at this one, it's number 48. There you go folks, number 48. Sorry. There you go, number 48. So let's take a look at number 48, okay? Alright. So we're in my car. And I'll pop the hood open. I popped it earlier. Plump! And I'm gonna take a look. Number 48 is right there. So that's this one right here. It's the sixth one from up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take it out and check to see. Alright. I just have this one, this type of pliers. So we'll take a look and see what's going on with this. Looks fine. Filament is good. Whoop, what is that? Looks like it's burnt. See that right there? Ooh, that's not good. I'll tell you what, we're gonna change it right now. 15 amp blade fuse. We'll put it in, replace it. Alright, there you go. Now we're gonna give it a shot, okay? Go back to my car. Watch this, folks. Let me see.